People try to unifacet you. People try to make you think only in monochrome. Whereas if your palette has many colors, you should allow them also to splash. We should not get trapped in others' impressions of us. As Francis Bacon had also said, that fame is also extremely strangulating because your pleasure starts living in other people's brains. So they start controlling how you will behave.
Sure.
And that was a beautiful point you said. In fact, you also brought out a facet which one of the questions is about. You said that people try to unifacet you. People try to make you think only in monochrome. Whereas if your palette has many colors, you should allow them also to splash your also. And in the corporate sector also, this happens often, where you are expected to rise from one position, say product manager to marketing manager to vice president and in monochrome, in a tunnel you are thinking. But the real world is outside the tunnel. And which is why maybe the corporate sector thrives on making people focus. But too much focus is a frozen state of mind. That's what you're saying.